Chat on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. But first of all, make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version on your device. So after that, what you're going to do is tap on your chat system. Then go to any chat that you want to hide. So what you have to do is just tap the chat that you want to delete or you want to just hide on Snapchat. Then tap on chat and notification setting, and here you can see the option of clear from chat fade. So just tap on that, and mind you that this will clear the conversation from your feed, but it will not delete any saved or resent messages in your conversation. So just tap on clear. If you want to unhide this chat on Snapchat, what you're going to do is just go on search and search for the friend's profile. And there you go. You can unhide the chat on Snapchat like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.